Tonight we're going to do a couple different techniques. First, we're going to learn our fighting stance. Some people call it a guarding stance. It's real simple. Your legs are under you. It's almost like the kind of stance you would have if you're swinging a bat, not really swinging a baseball, a golf club. But it's real simple, legs will be under. We'll go over that in just a second. Then we're going to work on a block. This is called a downward block. This is against somebody trying to kick us low or tackle us. And we're going to simply, see, the center of my body is the most vulnerable. So I don't want to expose that straight to my opponents. I always want it to be away from them, so it's hard for them to hit me in the groin, hit me in the solar plexus, hit me in the throat. So the idea behind what we're about to do is from your fighting stance, which is like a 45 degree, you're already kind of halfway turned. All I'm going to do with this front hand is sweep it down as I turn. This hand opens up to protect. So the whole motion is this. The whole motion is that, all right? So here we go. We're going to learn first our fighting stance and then our down block. Okay, come to our position. With this fighting stance, we all from a low center of gravity. It's hard to move with your knees locked. It's a lot easier when you're lower. So bend your knees. Take your left foot and bring it halfway in. Now just take a natural step forward. Just like you're walking the ball. Relax your arms. On the balls of your feet, turn off 45. Okay, now look at the mirror. I want your front foot not all the way 45, just turn it in a little bit. See, if it's turned out like this, it's very hard to turn to protect. If it's in too far, it's hard for me to punch. So it's got to be turned in just a little bit so I can protect myself, all right? Now, bend your back heels off the ground. Think about it like a sprinter. This is called a falling body law, a falling body. Sprinters get positioned so if they knock their arms out, they fall. We want to be in a position when we're not here, but we're just a little bit forward weighted, all right? Legs under us. Look in the mirror over here, back heels off the ground. Now take your elbows and bring them up into your body. Raise your hands so you touch your temples. There you go, all right? So this is our fighting stance. The next punch is called the cross or the reverse punch, and this is a power punch. This is a KO punch. So if my left leg is in front, I'm going to throw the right hand for power. So remember in the jab, we had this little bit of turn. Here we get all of that power. That's like swinging a baseball bat. And that's what we want to do. Here's a key point. The shortest distance between 2 points is a Pasco County school system, a straight line. So rather than a haymaker like you see in movies, and this is important because in movies they have to sell the punch. What does that mean? If I do this, pow, the camera's not going to catch it, the audience won't see it. So in the movies it's pow. Now if I'm going to try and punch you in the face, why would I pull my hand way out here, go around the moon, and then finally get to your face when that's the shortest distance? So the shortest distance is that straight line. So we're going to take advantage of that now. All right, ready position. Now when I say step, you're going to step back to your fighting stance guard. All right, let's try that together, slow. Pow. All right, there we go. We want to make our moves kind of definite. So ready, step. All right, here we go. Drop your hands. Now just pretend you're swinging a baseball bat and turn your body. Good. Now watch my back foot. I'm going to push, which is transferring weight and power. So I don't keep it back here. I bring it under me. Ready? Turn. Turn. This time turn and freeze. Freeze. You should be able to lift this foot up. That's how much weight you have in the front leg. So I'm not doing this. I want all that weight into that guy. All right, hands up. This time we're going to turn and punch. Looks like this. Watch me. Pow. All right, ready, turn and punch. Good. Breathe out as you punch. 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 Switch sides. Now this side, turn and punch. Turn and punch. Turn and punch. Switch sides. All right, let's put them together. Watch me first. 1, 2. Ready, punch. 1, 2. That's a 2-1. 1, 2. Good. Keep your hands up as you punch. We're not doing a bow and arrow here. Stay in a turtle. Turtle. Protect your targets. 1, 2. Fire. Ready, 1, 2, fire. Okay, relax. We're gonna learn a block now. This is called the down block, as I mentioned before. All it is from fighting stance, I'm just going to sweep and turn the hips. Sweep and turn my hip. And this other hand protects. See how my body's protected, my face is protected, my groin is protected, and all I have to do is that. It's real fast, and I can recover from it real fast. So let's try it, all right? After me, step. All right, elbows in. Look at the edges of your body. Those are your body lines. Your hands never go outside there. It's always inside the body lines. So take this hand, sweep it down and back. Bend those knees, Christopher. Sweep. All right, now turn your hip away. Back again. Turn the hip away. Now look at yourself in the mirror and look at me. Turn your hip away. My knees are close together. I'm protecting the jewels there. So Christopher, Alexander, get your knees closer together. There you go. Up on the heel. All right, let's put it together with the sweep. Ready, block. Back again, block. Back again, block. All right, switch sides. All right, block. We don't reach, we let it come to me. If the kick doesn't reach us, we don't want to force contact. If it doesn't hit us, it doesn't hit us. We can hit them. Sweep, sweep. All right, I turn the hips this time, sweep. Okay, watch my top hand. Try and open it and cover your face. Ready, sweep, that's it. Sweep, there you go, sweep. All right, switch sides. Here's the combination. Sweep, bang. Counter with the right hand. Ready, sweep. See how my hips loaded up? There we go. Sweep, fire. Sweep, fire. There we go.